example. And lastly, and the last rule is that grammar is a tool. So introduce it when it can actually be used. Because grammar can only be used if you already have enough vocabulary. Otherwise, you are not going to have vocabulary to even use the grammar. So Imam al-Sha'bi once he said, النحو كالملح في الطعام لا يستغنى عنه. That grammar is like salt in food. You cannot just not put it, but it doesn't become the main ingredient in the food. It is really just a sprinkle type of action that you put on the food. So it's important that that is understood, so you know exactly when to actually start learning grammar. So in Andrews Institute, we still learn grammar, but it comes in stages, slowly introduced, so it's digestible, and at moments where you can actually start using